Welcome, friends. Today we'll discuss about momentum investing. So, what is momentum investing? The literal meaning or dictionary meaning of a momentum investing is to invest in a trend when there is some momentum, some impetus, some drive, some thrust, or something either uptrend or in downtrend. Then if a trader or investor invest in that very particular security or scripts, then it is a momentum investing. The dictionary meaning of momentum is impetus or drive or thrust, or we can say some sort of motion or energy. From this literal meaning, momentum, once this investing added, that means that type of investing where there is some sort of momentum or some sort of trend following. So this is literal meaning, or we can say the meaning of a momentum investing. A momentum investor uses this a strategy to capitalize on a certain trend. They assume that if certain trend is formed, it will continue, it will sustain till certain reversal happens due to market dynamics. Till that time, it will continue in a trend. That trend can be for a week or month or maybe for a year or so. So, momentum investor try to ride on this journey as long as it continues and get the benefit out of this journey. So basic strategy of such type of trader or investor is to simply ride the momentum, ride the strength of trend and get maximum benefit out of that. Once this reversal happens, they simply exit if they have taken long position. Opposite of that, if they think market is in downtrend, then they will short till reversal happens due to market dynamics. So this is the simple strategy of a momentum investor. They use technical analysis. They don't care for fundamental things or some intrinsic value or value buying. They simply rely on technical analysis based on price and volume. From there, they infer is there any trend and trend have some strength and it is going to sustain depending upon many types of indicators. They use different types of indicators, combination of indicators just to determine, just to analyze this very stock or security have some momentum and it will sustain till reversal happens. If they believe through their analysis it is in upward journey, then they will go for long. And this is the simple strategy for a momentum investor. So just simply to understand, momentum investing involves going long on stocks, futures, or maybe it can be ETF or any financial instrument. It holds only thing that is trend following, nothing more than that. So different types of indicators Usually they use first one is trend line. They simply draw a trend line on this price movement, and from there they try to deduce is there any momentum. If line goes from low point to upper side and forms some sort of a uptrend like this, it is assumed that it is in uptrend. Definitely we will have separate video detailing complete about a trend line. We have already discussed this thing in our support and analysis video, especially in part 2, where we have discussed about dynamic, this support and resistance level. You can see that very video and can understand trend lines. Another is moving averages, which I'm supposed to make video, and hopefully in coming days that video you will also get, where or investor uses moving averages, different set of moving averages, cross section moving averages to determine momentum, entry and exit points. If a stock keeps above certain moving average, for example, say 20, and sustain on that line, above that line, that means it is in a momentum and one can purchase that very stock. If it crosses below that 20 level or maybe 50 level, then simply it sells. In combination of moving averages, also traders use. If lower moving average crosses higher moving average from down, then they will enter. If just opposite that happens, then they will exit that very flip. Of course, we'll have detailed video with examples, with charts in coming days. Another type of indicators they use mostly are MACD, and another is ADX, the average directional index. Of course, we will have detailed video for both ADX and MACD in coming days. And one most important is relative strength of an index, that is RSI. So for all this, we will have separate videos in coming days, and you can understand in detail how these indicators are used to gauge momentum and invest in a particular script. Thank you. Bye.